Hey fish lovers, what's up guys? How are you? How's everything? This is my planted tank which I recently rescaped, and you can see the fishes are doing well. Plants are also growing very well. But today's video is not about the planted tank guys. In today's video I am gonna clean up my canister filter. I have installed two canister filter, but I am gonna clean up this filter. Why I am going to clean the filter? Because guys, when I re-escaped all my tank, then there was a lot of dust and mud also, and the whole mud was filtered by the canister filter, so it is not working good now. And I show you here, this is the output of the canister filter, and it is quite low in the flow and it is not working properly, and it seems that it is choked. So guys, in this video I am gonna show you that how to clean the canister filter proper way. So guys, stay tuned with me and we are gonna start the video. So guys, now we have disconnected the canister, and you can see the company name RS Electrical and external canister filter, model RS56, voltage 220 to 40 volt, 50 Hz, power 15 watts, and suitable for aquarium 200 to 400 liters, and flow rate 800 liter per hour, and maximum liquid temperature 40 degrees. So now we are going to open and we will clean the canister filter. I will show you everything guys. So guys, here we have got the water, and this water is from the same tank which we are using the canister filter. So now we have cleaned all the canister filter and the filter media, as you can see. Now we are going to assemble back the canister filter. So we are gonna place the things again back into the canister filter, and I'll show you that how to. Here we are going to put the charcoal first, and after that we are gonna put the ceramics rings, and we are gonna press it, and after that we will fix it, and in the end we will like this and probably press it so that installed. And guys, I forgot one thing, and we have to fill it with the water. So I am gonna take the water from the tank and we are going to fill it. So guys, now we have closed the canister filter, and now we are gonna again attach the pipes. This is the input and this is the output, and after that I will show you that what is the difference between the previous and the after cleaning flow. So stay tuned and I am going to install it back. So now we have installed back the canister filter, and now I show you the flow of the output. Guys, here you can see the output flow has increased and it is quite better now, and I hope that the filtration rate will be improved. But guys, in this video I am gonna give you the key. When you are cleaning the canister filter, you must say that these are the two important points. So first of all guys, whenever you are cleaning the canister filter, you have to use the tank water. Do not use tap water or any other water source. And the second tip is guys, when you are cleaning the canister filter, do not change the tank water. There must be at least 1 week difference between changing tank water and cleaning the canister filter. Don't ever do both things at the same time, because your beneficial bacteria may die if you are using both at the same time. So you must have to wait for at least 7 days whenever you are cleaning the filter. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any confusion or problem, you may ask in the comment section. Bye bye.